Hi, I'm Brian with Next Step Audio Enhancement, and we're coming to you today with a brand new series we're calling Your New Home. Now, when any of our clients move into a new home, we always recommend to them to not mount the television to the wall right away. Matter of fact, none of the equipment you should mount right away. We always recommend set it up, try it out. When you're sure you've got it where you like it, right, after you've lived with it for a couple months, then we'll put it up on the wall. So for the purposes of this series, we're going to use my new home. It's a beautiful new home. We just moved into it. Matter of fact, you may at some point see boxes in the background because guess what? We're still moving into it. But you'll notice the television is not mounted to the wall. Integrators should be mounted, right? Not yet. Okay? What we have here is it's still mounted on the stand, and some of you, if you've been to our website, you'll recognize this stand, right? Check out the photo gallery. But the television is still on the stand here, and it's not up on the wall. The reason for that is right now, this television is centered with this space in this room. It is not, however, centered between this light switch and that little kick out of the wall right there. I really think this TV is going to move that way, about that far, to center it in the space between the light switch and this little wall segment here, so that we could put speakers in the wall on either side of the television, as well as have a speaker underneath there for the center channel. Now, what we're going to do in this series is we're going to take you step by step through what it is we do with a new home, what we recommend you do with a new home, and then we're going to show you how to do it. So for example, this television eventually is going to be mounted up to this wall. There's going to be in-wall speakers surrounding this television. There's going to be in-ceiling speakers front and back, because guess what? We're going to do an Atmos setup, and we're going to have this all done for you here. We're going to show you how to get the power, the cables back behind the television, coming down to the components here. We're going to show you how to make all of these components, even this whole desk, this table right here, go away. We're going to put all this stuff in a rack in the other room so that the only thing here that you see is the TV on the wall and the speakers in the wall. That's just cool. We're even going to go so far as we'll make this subwoofer right here disappear too. We're going to put that in the wall, and trust me when I tell you, your significant other is going to love it. You still get your TV, but guess what? It's clean. There's nothing on the wall but the TV. All of this goes away. It makes the room bigger. It makes it just so much nicer, and you get the system of your dreams in your home. So stay tuned for future episodes. We got another room to check out. We'll be right back. Okay, now just like in the other room, you'll notice in here, this television is not mounted to the wall. It's sitting on top of the dresser here. Why? Same reason as what we did in the other room. We don't know if we want the TV in this corner of the room or if we want the TV in that corner of the room. Now, you'll notice here you got the plug up on the wall, so we got electricity there already. What we don't have there is any cable. That's coming out of the floor. So what we'd have to do if we did it over there, we'd have to get the cable up, we'd have to get a Cat 5 cable up there to hook everything up. So we'd have to put a pass-through box in over here. What you don't see back behind this TV is we got the cable coming out right up here up high. All well and good, right? We don't have power up here. So we're going to have to do a power relocation kit to get the power up here behind the television when we mount it on the wall, if we keep it on this side. We may want to try it over there first. We haven't decided yet. Don't worry though, wherever we happen to put it in this room, we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to show you how to put a pass-through box in. We're going to show you how to put a pass-through box and a power relocation kit in if we do it over here. You're right, the cable's back behind the TV. Why do we need a power relocation, pass-through? Because we don't have Cat 5 over here. So we need to get the Cat 5 from down below. We need to get it up to the TV. We don't want to see the wires. Even though it's behind the dresser right now, we still want to do it the right way, right? So we will show you in future installments of this series how to mount the TV to the wall. We're going to show you in future installments how to mount the sound bar beneath the TV when you mount it to the wall. We're going to show you how to put the cable box up there so it can see when you have the remote going on. You know what else? We're probably going to put a DVD player in here. So we're going to show you how you can get your DVD player in here too. So you've got all the functionality of the TV in your main entertainment area here in the bedroom, which is cool, right? So we're going to show you all those things in future installments, and we're going to show you, why we mount the TV up high. So you may have noticed this is way up high, right? It's not where we recommend, when you're sitting down, your eyes should be in the center third of the screen, right? This ain't going to work like that. But if you think about it, where are we? We're in a bedroom. When you're in a bedroom, you're laying in bed watching TV, your eyes automatically go up. When the TV's up high like this in a bedroom situation, especially if you're wearing glasses like me, right? I've got progressive lenses. If I'm laying there and I'm trying to look, with my head back, I'm looking through the bottom of my lenses. I can read just fine down here. I can't see the TV across the room, right? So I want this up higher so I can actually see the TV when I'm looking at it when I'm laying in the bed. So there's reasons why we're putting things where we are. Now, we may very well move this dresser over to that side of the room and try the TV out there, see if we like it there better. It's probably going to stay here, but regardless, when the time comes, you guys will be the first to know about it. How are you going to know about it? Because it's simple. You go right down below this video, you hit the subscribe button. When we post new videos to this series, guess what? You're going to get a notification. Now, you can also do that on all the different social medias. We got Facebook, we got Twitter, we got, you name it. We're all the place in there. So we will definitely, if you go into your social media that you prefer, look for our page there, like us there, you'll get the notification there. And then as you're scrolling down through all of your Facebook friends, our video will pop up. You can watch us there too. Also, you can always go to our website, www.nextstepae.com or nextstepaudioenhancement.com. You don't have to type the whole thing out. If you just do AE, you'll get there too. We got them both. So you can go to the website. All of our videos are there on the website under the videos. Really easy to find. Check it out anyway. We also got articles up there. We have how-tos, all kinds of neat stuff in there. I think you'll like it. And at the end of the day, stay safe. We're doing these videos during the whole quarantine thing with the coronavirus. We're doing our social distancing. We're staying safe. We're doing what everybody is supposed to be doing. And what we're doing is trying to show you how you can have the entertainment home of your dreams and how you can do it yourself. That's why we put all these things together. So at the end of the day, you can enjoy your home the way you've always wanted to. Stay safe.